Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Let's get started. Hit the hay. It means sleep. As an exercise. I'm exhausted. It's time to hit the hay. Please practice. Break a leg. It's mean good luck. As an exercise. Break a leg in your performance tonight. Please practice. Piece of cake. It means very easy. As an exercise. The math exam was a piece of cake for her. She got a perfect score. Put on a show. It means pretend or show something dramatically. As an exercise. He put on a show of being upset, but I could tell he wasn't really. Keep an eye on. It means monitoring or watching someone. As an exercise. I'll keep an eye on the kids while they play in the park. Practice continuously. Off the beaten path. It means away from the crowds. As an exercise. They decided to explore off the beaten path and found a secluded beach. Keep it up. Next. A piece of art. It means work of art. As an exercise for you. The painting displayed in the museum is a magnificent piece of art. Next. Come rain or shine. Which means keep at it regardless of the weather or situation. As an exercise for you. I will be there for you, come rain or shine. You have to be passionate about practicing. Add fuel to the fire. The meaning is adding to the problem or conflict. As an exercise. Bringing up their past arguments will only add fuel to the fire. The apple of my eye. It means something that is highly valued or loved. As an exercise. My daughter is the apple of my eye. I love her more than anything. I hope you are still concentrating. Hear it on the grapevine. It means obtaining information unofficially or from gossip. As an exercise. I heard it on the grapevine that they're planning to launch a new product next month. The icing on the cake. The meaning is keep working hard and focused. Let bygones be bygones. Which means, let the past be the past. As an exercise. We had our disagreements, but let's move forward and let bygones be bygones. The sky's the limit. It means no limits. As an exercise. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything. The sky's the limit. Read the room. The meaning is, seeing the situation. As an exercise. Before making a joke, it's essential to read the room and make sure it's appropriate. Next. Time flies, which means, time quickly runs out or passes. As an exercise for you. It's already been a year since we graduated. Time flies. You can create your own example sentences. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It means, coping with difficult or negative situations in a positive way. As an exercise. She lost her job, but she decided to start her own business. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Put your money where your mouth is. It means, express intention or commitment through concrete action or investment. As an exercise. If you believe in your business idea, put your money where your mouth is and invest in it. Put two and two together. The meaning is understand or conclude something easily based on existing information. As an exercise. When she saw him arriving with a cake and balloons, she put two and two together and realized it was her birthday surprise. Please practice. Every man for himself. It means, everyone seeks his own advantage. As an exercise. During the competition, it's every man for himself. Everyone is focused on winning. Next. Go the whole hog. It means, do everything with passion. As an exercise for you. Since it's a special occasion, let's go the whole hog and celebrate extravagantly. Hitch your wagon to a star. Which means have high ambitions. As an exercise. She's determined to succeed and is ready to hitch her wagon to a star to achieve her dreams. Practice after theory. Beat the clock. The meaning is complete something before the time limit expires. As an exercise. With only 5 minutes left, she managed to beat the clock and submit the assignment. And the last one for us to learn in this video is behind the 8 ball. Which means, being in a difficult position. As an exercise. After missing the deadline, he found himself behind the 8 ball with his project. I hope the collection of vocabulary that I provide is useful for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like and share. See you soon.